realize that the journey is everything. There ain't no destination, man, the journey is everything.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Team Murphy here, back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about ad group breakdowns, right? The breaking down of our ad groups to become more profitable. Welcome, right? If you're new to this channel, you know we talk about TikTok ads, dropshipping, media buying, e-commerce, pretty much everything going on in that space. So if you're new or if you're just watching and you like the value, like the content, you know, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. It means a ton to me, and I just keep building info and creating videos like this for you guys, just so you can start your own business, become more profitable, and it only takes one product to change your life. So yeah, guys, let's get right into it on ad group breakdowns and why it's super important if you're not seeing consistent results or you're just not seeing the CPA that you would like, right? So this is a brand new ad account that I just launched. We launched this new product, starting to test it out, go through the phases, and you can see here the ages are to the left, 18 all the way to 55. You guys know that we like to exclude 13 to 17 depending on the product. And you can see the click-through rates are pretty solid, right? Anything above a 1% is a very solid click-through rate on TikTok. If it's below 1%, it probably isn't a good product for you to test. As always, though, the CPA is the very most important thing. Now, if we look at the allocation on this ad account, we have $92 set for 45 to 54, 57 to 55, 56. So you see, like, the algorithm is really trying to find the audience and which suits best the ads. And we can see here, obviously, we had higher click-through rates on above 55, but it doesn't matter because the CPA is much higher. Now, if we look at all the way to 25 to 34, that is a winning CPA, right? $7.54. That's crushing it. So if I didn't break this down, I didn't see where the spend was allocated, I would think this was either one, a dead product, or two, I just wouldn't get the CPA I was looking for. So what you need to do is, say you're running ads, you're scaling, maybe you're break even, whatever stage you're in, I highly recommend you break down your ads. So all you do is just go to the campaign, click view data, and then this will pop up. You scroll up by age and gender. You could just break it down by that. Scroll down, and then also this is just age, right? You can break it down by gender as well. So we can go down to gender here. If we can see that female is mostly spent on this product and male is less. So it's a female-oriented product. But overall, so say, like, for example, on this ad account that I just launched, 25 to 34 is absolutely smashing it. What I would do I would duplicate my winning ad groups and pinpoint just 25 to 34 male and female, and then target their different demographics and play with the country targeting as well. It's all just breaking it down, guys, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work. And don't think that, like, just because you launch a product right away, it's gonna make a ton of money. A lot of times you have to build enough data, get into like break-even zone, and then start to optimize your back end, front end. What are you doing on the landing pages? What are you doing on your email sequences? What are you doing on your SMS campaigns? It's all relative. It's all relative to what works and what doesn't work. So hopefully this video made you understand a bit more about profitability and why breaking down your ad groups is very, very important when running on TikTok. Now, not every product is going to be the same. Not every product is going to get the same click-through rate, conversion rate. It's all relative to your landing page and your ads performance. Remember, the best thing you can do is change your landing page and your ad creative. Don't use TikTok as like an end-all be-all and think, oh, I'm going to throw some ads up and I'm going to make a ton of money. That's not how it works on any marketing platform. So really get to know how to market. The copywriting on your site, the landing pages, the front end, the back end. Make sure you're really, really optimizing as you start to gain traction on TikTok. But that was just the video, guys, today, telling you why ad group breakdowns are so important. And if you got like value from this knowledge, like the video, subscribe to this channel. I'll make more and more videos like this every other day, every day. It depends where I'm traveling and how much time I have. Also, guys, if you haven't checked out the video, the case study on how I scaled the store from $0 to $630,000, I believe it was, in under 90 days using straight TikTok ads, you can watch that in the description as well. And don't forget, if you're new, you can also join the Ecom Huddle. It's a Facebook group that we have completely for free. Check out how other people are running on TikTok and their results, and you might be surprised. We have a lot of people absolutely crushing it, and I'm so happy to seeing like everybody winning the group, asking questions and stuff like that. But if you haven't checked out the case study, guys, join the group, do all that fun stuff, and if you like this video, subscribe. But I'll see you guys till next video. Peace.